In this video, I want to show you how to lower the rear seats of your Volkswagen Passat CC. So you just have to go over here on the back and find this lever. There's a good chance that this lever is locked. So you'll have to insert the key of your car right over here, twist it to unlock it, just like you do on a regular lock. And then press the lever and lower the backrest. Do the same thing on the other side. As you see, there is another lever right over there, and you'll be able to have a flat floor. Now you can also simply open the pass-through through the armrest. So if you lower this armrest, you unlock this latch, okay, and then you'll be able to open only the middle section if this is what you want, okay, and still have two passenger seats on each side. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.